So guys, welcome back to one more new video. So today's video is again on HTML. Now this topic is all about HTML table background with colors, means background color of an HTML, right? So this is the first program, so I'm gonna explain you the program after execution. So let me execute this program, right? So I'll copy this program and I'll paste it in Node++. Copy. I've pasted. Program is over here. Saved it on my HTML folder by name of 1.html, as it is our first program. Save it. Saved it. Now let's see the execution. So here is our execution. This is the program. So let's explain this one, right? So this was our program and this is our execution. So what is the program? So I've used 3 format over here, so that 3 formatting and 3 colors are displayed. So it starts with HTML tag, head tag, then in the head tag comes the title. Title is HTML background colors, right? So the title is given, as you can see the title, right? So now in the body I've used format 1. In format 1 I've used color name, table background color yellow with 100%, right? Now if I change yellow and if I give, suppose if I give pink, right, and width should be width if I give 50%. Now in the notepad, if I run this program, where is it? I have to do it pink and over here 50%, right? Now let's execute the program by saving the file and let me refresh. Now see, the width have become smaller and it has come to 50% and the color of the background has changed. So this program has changed. So this was my first formatting. Now my second formatting is this one, format 2. I have used hexa value for the background color. So this is the hexa value, okay, and this hexa value stands for blue color. So as you can see, it's blue color and width is 100%, okay. So, and you all guys know we have to use this tags as I've said this tags in the earlier videos. So you guys all know. So yeah, if anybody has not watched, so go and watch my earlier videos. You will get to know all about. Now in formatting 3 I have used the color value in RGB terms. Now what is RGB terms? Do you know that red, green, blue is RGB color, right? So in background color I have used RGB, I have used red 255 full percent 100% and blue 255%, right? And green 0. For that, this type of greenish color is coming, right? So this was our first program. So now let's go for the second one, right? Now let's go for the second one. For first program, the second program, yeah. Second program is over here, col span and row span. So let's see this. Copying this, okay, and pasting it over here. This is our second HTML program for today, and name of 2.html. Save it. Now let's execute the file. So where is my file? Where is the file? Come on. Oh, that's over here. Okay, see, this program is quite bit tough looking for you, but it's very simple. So what does col span and row span does? This was the title, col span and row span. Okay, now then now in the body we have used table border, which is 1. Acha. If I do table border 1, then I've used tr, that is table row tag. In table row tag I've used table data tag th, column 3, column 2, column 3. As you can see in table row there are 3 rows. And then I have used tr tag, I've closed tr tag, again I have used tr tag, and in the data I have used row span, right? And hash in quotation 2 row 1 cell, close td tag. I have closed the data, then row 1 cell, rows 1 cell 3. Now see, these are the data cells, right? And then I have used tr tag, again row 2 cell 2 td closed, td open, td closed, right? So this was row span and col span. Col span means column span, and row span means row span. Means row will be multiplied and column span, column will be multiplied. So see, right? 3 rows, 3 column, and the last is only in 1 row. So this happens in row column and table column. So we are come to the next program. This is our next program. So let's execute this program now by copying this. I've copied the program, and then I will paste it in notepad for execution, and then I will explain, right? So I've saved the name of 3.html, then I will execute. So where is my file? Where is my that file? Okay, it's over here. So this is the background color. Did you get it? It's very easy. Only in place of body you have to write table border 1 hash, and in between that you have to write border color or background color green. Then I've used VG color yellow. Okay, then now see the background is green. If I do black, then only you guys will understand the green is not that much attractive. So where is okay? In place of green, if I do black. Now let's see the execution. Save it and refresh it. Can you guys see the black? Achha, let me increase the pixel, then maybe you guys see it. So this was all the program. Let me increase the pix. Suppose if I give 5px, then if I so the next thing is that the border of the color has been changed and it has become green. And if I put peaks, right, if I do padding of peaks, the option is not coming. Wait guys, wait, yeah, peaks. And if I put, suppose if I put 5 pics, 5px, now let's see what happens. Save it. Will it come? I think it will not come. See the, now refresh it. See the pixel have increased. Okay, for today only this much, guys. I'll come in the next video very soon. Stay tuned for that. Okay, let me see what's not happening. Okay, well, leave it. Just leave it.